Before I start this video, I want to tell you guys, मेरे को घंटा 1 रुपए की नॉलेज नहीं है ब्रिक्सटन के बारे में. I never heard about them, dude. I'm not even kidding. इतना पता कि ऑस्ट्रिया से है. ओके, सो इंडियन ब्रांड के साथ इन्होंने कोलैबोरेट किया है Veloce Motors with the latter to take part of manufacturing and distribution operation with partnership of Brixton Motorcycle established manufacturing plant इनका कोल्हापुर महाराष्ट्र में. जिहान भाई का रिव्यू देखेंगे on the Crossfire XC, which is one of the motorcycles which they are launching,
which specializes in sort of neo retro motorcycles. And
neo
this
retro
bike right here, 500 series, is the most accessible way to.
The neo retro look looks damn cool. It's a parallel twin. Is it 270 crank or what? Is it just a generic parallel twin? First thing that caught my attention, I'll tell you, is the finish of the exhaust. I like this this plate. This just says 08. The headlamp, this brake oil reservoir looks nice. Tubeless spoke wheels. Damn, that's cool.
From 4.74 lakh rupees, and
Whoa.
this version with
X showroom price is 4.7 lakhs for the X, and XC is 5.1 lakhs for Bangalore. On road around 6 lakhs. Kind of bad. This is a very new brand for India. It's not gonna be something people will have confidence in. So what I would have suggested to make it a bit cheaper, maybe around Aprilia on-road price, so that people will be more willing to pick it up, test it out, and then name will build out more in the Indian market. It's just the confidence part. People won't have that much confidence to spend this much of amount. Husqvarna की तरह लग रही है. Even I thought the same thing when I saw it for the first time. को लगा थोड़ा सा husky वाला look आ रहा है इसमें. And it's Austrian brand also. I don't know. Damn. Bike looks chonky.
Now, like I
Bike looks
mentioned,
nice.
that itself, it's a sort
But
of.
one thing I don't understand, it's an Austrian brand with a British name, and it has a British tank pad design. Somehow something is not working out for me. Wait.
Of a homage to the great British twins that we saw in the 1960s. And
Oh, so they are giving a homage to the British twins, which we saw like Baba Adam ke zamane mein. Okay, fine. They're going with the theme.
entry level one, which is the 500X, that's more of a roadster.
Okay.
So the Scrambler looks meaner, rugged.
I like the design of the tank. It is so different. I like that angular design on the tank. That's cool.
Headlight grille and sort of these dual purpose tires to give
The
you that
beak looks
full
cool.
off-roader feel.
More than a road bias bike, na, these Scrambler bikes na makes more sense. It's just a little bit more taller, but they have better presence.
486cc parallel
486cc.
engine that makes almost 48 bhp and 43 nm.
So it's a 286cc parallel twin, generic one, I guess, which sounds like a generator. 43 Newton meter torque. Decent figures. Okay.
There is no slip and assist clutch or a quick shifter available.
There's no slip and assist clutch in 2024. What the fuck? Auto blipper or quick shifter can live without that, but slip and assist clutch 22-3 lakh की बाइक है. हाँ भाई वही तो.
And here's how
Okay.
the bike sounds.
Yup, it's not a 270 crank. That's a no-no for me, man. I don't like that sound. I had owned one, Z650, rode it for like 2.5 years. It was a good motorcycle, but the character of that motorcycle, the engine was like so boring, man. You can't even change the exhaust, man. If you change the exhaust, it sounds more worse. Nope for me. I'm not a fan of this sound. It's decent.
It's got that typical rumbliness that you
Yeah.
associate with a parallel twin engine.
A lot of brands have started making 270 crank parallel twins. I don't know why Brixton is still sticking to this. Sleek tail light design integrated with the frame, kind of cool. What brakes are those? J Juan, Spanish brand. Okay. My bad, guys. It's a Spanish brand. Yeah, so it's J Juan, J Jose.
Which are wrapped in Pirelli Scorpion Rally STR tires.
Ooh,
Now,
those tires are good. Pirelli Scorpion STR tires on this bike. Now the pricing is making a bit sense.
weigh roughly close to 200 kilos.
Oh, 200 kg curb weight. Not bad. Not 200. Close to 200. Anything around that weight na is decent.
Well, the seat height on this is
I like the seat designs. Check out the seat design. When you brake hard, at least you'll have some cushion for your family jewels. As no other brand cares about our family jewels, man. Brixton, thumbs up.
it is a little on the taller side. I am 5 feet 9 inches.
Oh, he's 5.9. Even I am 5.9 inches. I think anyone who's like 5.5, 5.6 and all, they'll have a bad time. But then again, tall bikes can be handled with correct techniques. All you have to do is keep 1 foot down, 1 foot on the foot peg, and you can manage the bikes easily.
If you just scoot a little bit, you can easily flat foot one side of the bike, and
That's what I was saying.
for urban riding as well as for some light off-roading.
That's all you have to do, guys. You don't have to worry about keeping your both the feet down. तो हम लोग को muscle memory हो गया ना कि जैसे हम लोग गाड़ी रोकते हैं दोनों पैर नीचे आ जाता है. It's just we need 1 or 2 days practice this. Any tall bike you'll be able to handle. 1 feet down, 1 feet on the foot peg, done. You'll enjoy the motorcycle.
The simple LCD screen.
On a classic Neo motorcycle, these kind of screens make sense. Thankfully, it's not as ugly as, you know, the Hero or Harley Davidson X440.
Two bikes, do you think that Brixton
Start
as a
early
brand
2025.
has sort of nailed the pricing with the premium components that it is trying to offer?
Nail the
Do you
pricing,
consider-
not really sure. I think it's a bit on the higher side. They should have come up with an introductory price, little bit lower, maybe 50, 60,000 lower.